Hello friends, in this video I'll be helping you with how you can make factor tree of number 360. So let's start. So before making factor tree, you must know one thing, or you must keep one thing in mind, that the ending node or the terminating node of factor tree are made up of prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay, so first of all let's write the number over here, and the rule is we'll factor it first in group of 2. Okay, and one of the factors should be prime number. So we need to compare it with the prime number. Is 360 divisible by 2? Yes, it is. So one of the factor will be 2, another will be 2 into what times is 360? 2 into 180 times is 360. Now 180 is a composite number, so we need to factor it again in the same way. Let's compare it. So is 180 divisible by 2? Yes. So one factor will be 2, another it will be 2 into what times is 180? 2 into 90 times. Same with 90 we need to do. One of the factor will be 2, another will be 45. Now further on, 45 is not divisible by 2, right? So what we'll do is we'll go to the next lowest prime number, that is 3. Is 45 divisible by 3? Yes. So divided 3 and 15. 15 times is 45. Further on, is 15 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 5 times. Now 5 is further not a composite number, so our work is done and we can circle the terminating nodes or the ending nodes. Okay. And we can also write it separately, that is 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 3 cross 3 cross 5 in the form of answer. So this was all about factor tree of 360. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, do consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.